Alrighty guys, in this video, I'm going to be covering how to shoot your short and direct sales video. Alright, to be clear, this is going to be embedded on step 1 of your funnel, the landing page where people get sent directly from your ads. Okay, we're going to embed this video once it's recorded on this page, right underneath your headline and right above your call to action to apply and book a call. All right. Now, when you're filming this video, you can use, when after your video is recorded, you can host it on either YouTube, ClickFunnels, or Wistia. So when you embed this video, you can use YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. Doesn't matter which one. Use whichever you want. If you don't have Vimeo or Wistia, use YouTube and use it as upload it as an unlisted YouTube video. Okay. Now, to be clear, if you do already have a VSL that you've shot that is working and is proven to work with another funnel of yours, okay, for the same exact offer that you're selling with this funnel, then you can use that VSL where you're in front of the camera, giving all the details about your program and how you help solve the problem, etc. If you have a VSL that has already proven to work for the same exact offer that you're selling with this funnel, then you can go ahead and test that VSL first by just embedding it right on this page, okay? As long as it's aligned with your offer, of course, okay? If not, you're gonna use this sales video framework with these slides because it works, okay? That's the reason why, because it works. Okay, now before I go through the framework here, I just want to give credit where credit's due. This is based, I call it the short/direct sales video, but it's based pretty much from this sales video format called the mini webinar. And I originally got the mini webinar by one of my mentors, Jeremy Haynes. So all credit for this to Jeremy Haynes. Okay, keep in mind the format of this video is not exactly the same as the traditional mini webinar. However, it is built, it's an iteration from the mini webinar that's very, very similar. So credit to Jeremy Haynes for teaching me and putting me on game with the mini webinar. It works really well. All right. Anyway, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come here, file, make a copy. You're going to copy the entire presentation. You're going to make your own copy so that you can edit this, okay? Because you're not going to have the ability to edit the copy that I'm on right now, all right? But essentially what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the sections of this sales presentation and, how to go about each slide and why to go about the slides in this manner, okay? So your first slide, this is like the slide that you're starting on. You essentially want to have your big claim that we went over in the big claim video, okay? So if you go to your claim that you defined in this document, you're essentially going to want to take your claim, right? We'll just say wherever your claim is, you want to take it and you want to put it right here. So for example, if your program helps investors achieve X results in, X amount of time, you want to have in big bold letters at the top, achieve X result in X amount of time using mechanism. Okay. So whatever your main headline is, you essentially just want to put it on this home slide to make that big bold claim right off the bat. Okay, you're basically want to say you're going to want to give a little bit of details on what you're offering on this slide, and then you're going to go right into giving all the bullet points of like all the main selling points of your offer. Right? We're going to help you do this. We're going to show you how to do this. We're going to help you do this. We're going to help you do this. We're going to help you do this, right? You just want to make the big, punchy sales argument points visible right here, and you want to call them out right away, right? Your goal for this main slide is to make a big, bold claim and then back it up by telling them very briefly of how you're going to do it in your offer. Okay? Essentially what's included in your offer very briefly. Okay? Right after that, you're going to go to this slide. You're briefly going to state who you are and why you're credible to sell them this and to advise them in this area, right? You're going to put some pictures of yourself if you want, right? If you have any like awards that you can show, put a few awards, as long as they're relevant. For example, if you have a 2 Comma Club award from ClickFunnels and you're selling to marketers, you should put a picture of you with your 2 Comma Club award, because that puts you as an authority figure in the space, right? But it only makes sense to show that you have a 2 Comma Club award if you're selling to marketers, because that's proof that you know about marketing. Okay? Put some bullet points here about like what you've done, serial entrepreneur, if you're a best-selling author, whatever, founder of your company, and any other credibility points that you can touch on very briefly. You want to go through this slide as fast as possible. Don't rush through it, but make it very brief, because these people, again, you want to sell people in this video as if you're speaking to busy rich people, right? You want to get these people to understand that you have an amazing offer for them, and you don't want to waste their time, right? So you want to be very direct in these slides. So don't go through your whole entire life story, because people are going to leave, especially if they have money and if they're busy people that are watching your video. Okay. Next, you're going to want to go and on this third slide, you're going to clearly state the main problem that you solve. Right. So you're going to want to write the main problem we solve at, blah 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 company, or the main problem we solve in the blah 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 program is, and then you insert the problem, right? You essentially on this slide want to say exactly what the problem is that you're solving. Okay? So for example, the main problem we solve in the program is we help fitness coaches personal trainers who are in the gym all the time with in-person clients. We help them transition to online so they can make more money and, take back control of their time. That's an example of how you'd want to go about stating the problem on this slide. Okay. Whenever you guys see these italicized statements, these are not going to be there. You're going to want to remove these. These help you understand what to put on these slides. Okay. Next, you want to state an agreeable statement, right? So it's well known that blank. So if we go with the fitness coach example, right? The main problem we solve in our program is getting personal trainers who are stuck in the gym, making a capped income and working with all these people in blah, 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 blah. We help them transition to online fitness coaching and make more money and get back their time, whatever. Okay. It's well known that most personal trainers want to make more money and have more freedom and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It's well known that, okay? It's well known that personal trainers want to make more money. It's well known that they understand what their stuff, they know their stuff. They can get their clients great results, but they're stuck in the gym. They want to figure out a way to make more money, okay? However, the problem is, right? So on this slide, you want to explain why most people are held back from fixing the roadblock that you just stated in the agreeable statement. Okay, so for the fitness coach example, however, the problem is most personal trainers don't understand exactly how easy it is and how simple it is to transition to online coaching. They just don't know how to do it. Okay, so that's what you want to state the roadblock. Okay, the reason why they're held back from achieving whatever it is that you said in the agreeable statement. Okay, however, the problem is blank. Okay, this is why we created insert the offer, right? So you're gonna want to explain your solution here briefly, right? So you can say, this is why we created this company. This is why we created blah, blah, blah coaching program. Or you can say, luckily, our business accelerator program is built to literally show you in 8 weeks how to transition from being a regular fitness, a personal trainer, to transitioning to being an online fitness coach extremely quickly. Okay, so on this slide, you want to explain your solution to the problem that you just stated. Okay. After that, you want to go on this slide and just very briefly and very clearly state the benefits of your offer. Okay. So the benefits of this are you'll be able to make more money. You'll be able to get back more of your time. You'll be able to work with more clients. Your clients won't be as stressful, right? You want to state all the benefits. All right. Then you're going to go to this slide and you're going to say, I'm going to explain all the details about the offer in just a minute. Okay, so what you're doing here is you're creating an open loop. Okay. So again, you're going to say the benefits, then you're going to come here, you're going to say, now look, I'm going to explain all the details about the program in just a minute. But first, I want to show you why this works so well. Okay? That's what you're going to say. Don't change the slide, okay? You're going to say exactly that, okay? So you're going to say, I'm going to explain all the details about the program in a minute, open loop, but first I want to show you why this works so well. And at this point, you're going to come in here and you're going to create some custom slides for you and what you're selling, and you're going to explain why, right? You're going to explain why this works so well. You're going to give them data on why being a fitness coach in this example, an online fitness coach, is better than being an in-person personal trainer, and why it gives them the ability to make more money, why it gives them their time back, why it's less stressful, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Why they will enjoy their life more, right? You want to do some teaching here essentially. Okay. Once you've given them data and you've taught them why this works so well, okay, then you want to say, here's exactly how we can help you achieve that, right? And you're going to insert your big claim, right? So here's exactly how we'll help you become an online fitness coach in the next 8 to 12 weeks so you can make more money, etc. Okay, then you're going to move on to this slide. Okay, you're going to go into these 3 steps. So you're going to see there's step 1, step 2, and step 3. So essentially what you want to do here is you're literally going to show them, you're going to explain to them the 3 phases essentially of how you're going to help them get the result. Okay. So for the fitness coach, the online fitness coach example, you're going to do step 1. So like if step one is you basically want to come up with 3 steps. So if you have a coaching program or a mentorship program, you want to look at how people go through your program and you want to break it down into 3 steps. So for example, step 1 might be them going through a mind map session, or they hop on with one of your assistant coaches and they do an onboarding to get clarity on exactly what the outcome is that they want and what they want their online fitness coaching business to look like, right? That might be step 1, and you would put the title right here and you would explain it, okay? Then you're going to say step 2 is you actually go and you transition some of your clients to online fitness coaching clients, and you start the process of actually getting clients that are online fitness coaching clients. Okay, and we're going to walk you through this whole process. You're going to have a one-on-one coach that's going to help you with the sales process to really make you a master of getting clients. Okay, and then step 3 is you're going to become a master of delivering for your online fitness coaching clients, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to have a whole framework that's laid out for you, so you don't have to remake the wheel, right? We have a whole process that we're going to show you that will literally guarantee you that you get great results for your clients, so that that's not even a worry for you, right? So that so that it's really worth their investment, so you can feel good about what you're doing. Okay, this is step 3. All right, once all those 3 steps are done, you're well on your way to growing the business now. Okay, so let's recap, and then what you're going to do is you're going to recap on this page this 3 steps that you just went through, because human beings have short memory, short attention spans. So just list the 3 steps again and go recap them real quick. And then if you do have any other value that you haven't articulated yet, you want to say, plus we'll even do XYZ for you. So plus we'll even give you a one-on-one coach that you'll have full access to throughout the whole process of the 12 weeks of you being in the program. Essentially what you want to do here is, if there's anything that's added value that you haven't articulated yet in your 3 steps, you just want to add that here to add even more value. Okay. After that, you're going to start going into your call to action. So you're going to say, so if you want us to help you, and then you're going to insert the desired result. So for the fitness coaching, you're going to say, so if you want us to help you transition into being an online fitness coach, so you can make more income, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, fill out the application below and book a call to speak with our team. And then what you're going to do is you're going to transition into showing some of your best case studies. So let's review a few case studies so you see this actually works. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through, 3, 4, 5, 6 case studies. And what you're going to do is on these pages, you're going to have your headshots of your case studies, the case study data, screenshots of their results, right? So for example, remember when you went and did your case study data and your case study interviews, this is a great place to utilize that. This is the best place to utilize it, right? So you want to come in here and you want to take this data and the images and the content that you have for each case study, and you want to put them on these slides, right? You want to go in depth with them so that you can share the story, right? You want to say the person's name. You want to say where they were at before your program, where they're at now. You want to show proof that the results are legit, screenshots of, the results, etc. You can even, if you want, you can even play a clip from your interview with them if you want. Okay, you want to go through these case studies, go in depth with them, give so much clarity that your program works and gets results with these case studies. Okay, after you go through the case studies, you're going to go and do another call to action to close it out. There's just a few more slides. Okay, you're going to say, please do not apply if you're not willing and able to invest in yourself and your business success, or whatever the topic is of your program. Okay, then you're going to say, we can only service 15 to 20 new clients, or whatever legit amount of clients you can take on per month. So be sure to take action on this opportunity right now. The people that get into this opportunity now will reap the best results. Okay, so what you want to do is, after the case studies, you're going to say, please do not apply if you're not willing and able to invest into yourself and your success. Also, please keep in mind, we can only service X amount of new clients per month, so be sure to take action on this opportunity right now. The people that get access to this first will get the best results. Okay, so if you're seeing this video right now, that means that we still have spots available. So fill out the application below, book a call to speak with our team, and we will see you very soon. Okay, so guys, that's how you film the video. It's pretty straightforward. I have the template for you right here. Again, go to File, make a copy, and start making it look good. Doesn't need to be fancy. Don't do anything, like, just get rid of all these whatever you call it, italicized text, whatever you call it. Get rid of that stuff. You don't need to make it look fancy, just make it look clean. and get that done. And then I'll see you guys in the next video.